Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today we're going to be doing my least favourite to favourite bronzer ranking of 2022. So I've been doing this with all my collection really. The only thing I'm not going to do it with is every single palette that I've got in my collection. I did kind of a best of the best in eyeshadow palettes, which I'll link either in the pinned comment or I'll link at the end of the video if you want to go and check that out. I'd very much appreciate it. So we're going to go from least favourite to favourite, as I've just said. It's not going to be long, there's only 8 in total. I've got more bronzers, but these are the ones that I really loved in 2022. So in 8th place, this looks like it would be too dark for me, but it's really pretty. It's the Revolution bronzer reloaded in Long Weekend. I will do some swatches, and I'm hoping because we're filming in natural daylight you will see them. They're a little bit darker than highlights, so I had highlighter issues and you just couldn't see them, but because these are darker you should see them. Now it's very warm toned, I will give it that, but it is really pretty on the skin. So that's in 8th place. 7th place is this big massive one from Revolution. It's the Mega Bronzer in 01 Cool. I don't know if they still do this one. I've had it ages. You can see that I've got a healthy dip going there. So let's just swatch this. This one is really creamy, and like it says, it really is a cool tone bronze. It's really pretty. So that's that one. And then this Ciate one I've had for years, but I've only really been loving it over the past year. So it's the Ciate and Olivia Palermo in Bluff Point. So it's a bronzer and it's also got a blush. I want to get more use out of this blush in 2023, but as you can see, I've hit pan on the bronzer side. So I've hit pan on the bronzer side, you can see it there, hopefully. So now we're going into the top 5. You can see I definitely don't have a lot of loved bronzers. I'm going to be doing some purchase regrets as well, because I've definitely got a few in bronzers that I regret buying. Up next in 5th place is this Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. Now a few of you might be shocked that it's come so low down, because like I've only got 8 bronzers, and putting this one in 5th place is pretty low down, but I've got some really good drugstore ones. And I've not used this as much as the others, so where should I put it? Here. Oh, it's really light compared to the others. But it is milk chocolate, and it does smell of milk chocolate too. Right, I don't know if you're going to see it. It's that one there. 5th place. And this one I think is even lighter, but I do actually prefer this more. So this is the Matte Bronzer by Cargo. It doesn't have a shade name on it. And as you can see, I've hit pan there as well. They're about the same shade. I'm having to swatch this 3 times so that you're going to see it. So that's that one there. And then in 3rd place we've got this. This is new to the collection, I got it this year. It's the 17 Glow and Define bronzer in the shade 020. So it's not the lightest shade you can get, but it looks pretty darn light, doesn't it? So I do like looking at my hand now. I do like the warmer ones. Not too warm though, where I look orange, because obviously I've got red hair and that's just not a good look on me. But that bronzer is absolutely stunning, and that's why it's come so far up. I think these are about £4, I want to say, either £3.50 or £4, and they're definitely worth it. 2nd place is the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade Medium Warm 250. So nice, it's absolutely stunning. That looks like that. So that's that one there. And then in 1st place, can you guess it? You might not be able to guess it this time around. I'm always saying in these ranking videos, can you guess it? But because, you know, I don't rave on about bronzers that much, you might not. Anyway, 1st place is this one. You can tell I love it. It's the Collection Bronzing Powder in Sunshine. I don't think they do it anymore. It's by Natural Collection, sorry, not Collection. For you guys that don't know, Collection and Natural Collection aren't the same brand. So this one is really pretty. and that's that one there. You can see I've got like all different colours of bronzer going up my hand there. I do really like them all. None of them will be getting decluttered, but I might declutter some of the other ones. So yeah guys, that's my top 8 bronzer collections that I used last year. Let me know what your favourite bronzer is. I don't really have too many high-end ones. There's like maybe 3 there out of 8. So Too Faced, Cargo and Ciate I'd pretty much class as high-end, because I'm not that bothered about getting high-end bronzers. I would much prefer it to get a good one from the drugstore. So that's all the bronzers there on the hand. And this concludes the video. Thank you so much for joining me. At the end of the video I normally leave a relevant playlist. I would very much love it if you could go and check that out. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.